I'm going to be talking about probably the best unsaturated affiliate software in 2019 and how you can get your hands in it and start earning 40% commission on every single lead that you bring into the system forever. Okay, so let's get started. So, if you've ever heard of builderall, ClickFunnels, lead pages, any of these all in one marketing solutions, you will know that each of them have their pros and cons. ClickFunnels is a brilliant software, but it's very expensive. Builderall is a good product, it's nice and cheap, but it's still glitchy and it's still a little slow. And these are really the two main ones that I'm going to be comparing with System. With System, it's a new software. It's been predominantly in France, but now it's coming over to England, and I'm pretty sure the growth of this is going to become huge. It's going to grow very, very fast. So anyone getting in now, anyone pulling in their systems now, are going to earn a lot of money. But even if you're not an affiliate, it really doesn't matter, because this is an all-round top-notch software that I personally have already started benefiting from, and I know you will as well. So let's get into the nitty gritty. And just before you run off and start signing up, I do want to let you know that if you join my system team by clicking the link in the description below, I am going to give you a full-blown course on how to use the software. I'm really explaining what each of these are and how to use them. Okay, I'm also going to be running updates on other features and ideas on how to attract leads, on how to get more business, how to create a passive income, etc., etc. Just a load of bonus material for you when you do join. Okay, so it is important that if you don't use my link, you won't get any of that. Okay, so let's get started. So here you can see the dashboard, and it basically shows you a really clean interface. If you've ever used ClickFunnels before, it's a little bit similar to that. I actually think it's a bit cleaner, and it's actually faster. Okay, and what you can see, you've got your affiliate dashboard and you've got a marketplace. So already that's a fantastic opportunity for you to attract new leads just by creating templates for your funnels. Okay, so you've also got your own in-house CRM system where it's collating all the contacts, all your leads and everything, and then you can categorize them by using the tags. But again, I explain more about this within my course if you register for the free trial. In the funnels area, you can create funnels, and just really quickly, I'll show you just how simple it really is. You can see you've got build an audience, sell, so you've got these objectives for each one. And if we just do test and create, you can change the currency. Okay, I'm just going to leave a URL at the moment. And again, I do talk about this in greater detail. And what you can see here is got this pre-made purchase forms, which are high converting with automation rules, split testing, stats, and sales. So you can really get into the nitty gritty. And again, if you've ever seen ClickFunnels, it's very similar to the setup. Okay. And again, you can create a marketplace offer where you can sell whatever you build. Okay. And just to show you how quick and simple this is, if you press select on it, you've got all your little things here, and let's load it. And there you go. You can quickly edit it. It's drag and drop. So the whole process is really simple. Okay. Also, it allows you to place the powered by systeme.io, which means that if anyone clicks on this and registers, you can passively start making an income and you will become their affiliate. Okay. Or they'll become your affiliate. That's nice, and you'll earn 40% of whatever they earn. Next, you've got the newsletter campaigns and statistics. So you can actually create your own email newsletters and have them automatically sent, the new campaigns and statistics. Okay, so it's really important to make sure you know where all your sales are coming from, where people, how people are responding to your emails, and it displays here, and you can filter it by date. Also, what's a really unique feature is the blog creation. You can create your full-blown blog, and if you know anything about content marketing, you know that having a blog to educate your customers or potential customers and start creating that passive sort of sales system is probably one of the best ways to to actually sign people up. Okay, if you create a how-to blog, you can then very easily start capturing their information and start doing email marketing to them and what's not. And really simple. And if we just click show blog, you can see you've got a very nice, attractive blog with everything you need to get that information. If you go into it, you can see it right here. And again, the reason why you're seeing this sort of thing is because I've actually created this in the course that you will get when you use my link to sign up. And you can see you've got everything you need to make an attractive blog, and you can customize every part of this, and it's a drag and drop builder. Okay, let's move on to automation rules. So you can create rules. So if you know anything about this sort of thing, you can do so when someone subscribes, send them the welcome campaign, giving them all the information that they actually need, which you will experience when you register using my link. If you go into workflows, again, you can do this. So if someone signs up to a trial using your link, let's say you're an affiliate of this, then you can send them course number 1. If they make an instant purchase, then you can send them your second course and all the other goodies that you've got, which again is the same if you sign up. And then you've also got another really exciting feature, which is membership area. Okay, so you can create full-blown courses, unbelievably simple, which again I cover in my course, and you can see very simple. Create the name of it, upload the videos either by uploading it to YouTube, name them, and then here's what it looks like. So you got your featured image here, you've got all of these videos, and you can see module 1, module 2, etc. And you can, charge per video, charge per course, get people asking questions. So whether you're a business owner, affiliate, it really doesn't matter. Here is huge potential just to create your own membership website, just like that. Really nice, really simple. And of course you've got, you can track everything else with orders, payments, subscriptions, but you can actually see, even though I'm recording on my computer at the moment, the system's actually really fast, which is nice. That's a big difference to builderall, which is quite slow. Okay, it's not really trying to bombard you with features that you don't really need. It's got everything you need right here. So let's just create a funnel. Okay, so let's just do build an audience, and again, test. Oh, we've already created them. Okay, and then you can choose your template, and you can see step 1 is the squeeze page, step 2 would be the thank you page. If you want to create another step, just do it here, and you've got the inline form, pop-up form, all of this sort of thing, webinars, info page. It really doesn't matter. And thank you, and you can even split test it. It's really got what you need. If you want to preview it, here's what it looks like. Okay, click button, bang, the pop-up, and then just do something else. So you can see the potential in this. And if you are an affiliate, again, the time to get in now, the time to get in is in fact now, not a year down the line, not tomorrow, not next week or next month. It's now, because you want to get in, start putting in your systems, start putting your seeds on YouTube or Facebook or wherever, and start just letting that nurture and grow and what's not. And again, if you use my link, you're more than welcome to start using the courses that I provide you with for your own affiliates, and etc. Now I have spoken to these people, I have spoken to system support, and I do know that they've got some huge plans down the line that's just going to explode the market. If they've already got an interface and a system that's very similar to ClickFunnels, which is like the leading funnel builder online, then believe me when I say this, once they start adding their new features in, I honestly believe they will no longer be the leading provider. So, the pricing is super cheap at the moment. You've got your 14-day free trial. But again, if you do purchase now, I do provide you with additional courses. But yeah, just go ahead, see the links in the description, go ahead, review it, sign up to the 14-day trial, explore it, see just how efficient this really is, and let me know how you're finding it.